Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Spotify password. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. You cannot change your password from the Spotify app because the app does not have any features that allows you to change your password. So you need to navigate to the Spotify website. Once you're in the website, log into your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface where you can explore the musics. At the top right corner, you can see the settings icon. Tap on it. Now select this view account option over here. Once you are in this page, scroll down a bit and under the security and privacy section, you can see this set device password option. Tap on it. Now tap on this set device password. You will be redirected to the login page of Spotify. In this page, you can see the forgot your password link over here. Tap on it. First of all, you need to enter your registered username or email address. After that, tap on the send link option. Spotify will send you the password reset link on your email. So you can go to the email, open the mail from Spotify. It will give you the reset password link. Tap on it. From here, you can create a new password. Tap on this new password field. Now set a new password for your account. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. Now reconfirm your new password. And once you are done, you can tap on this create password button. And that's it. That's how you can easily change your Spotify password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.